so cold, my brain's not working right. As you can see, our mailbox, what's left of it, I'm out here going to start on trying to dig out. And there's our driveway and cars, the embankments. I don't know where I'm going to shovel all the snow to, but I guess I'll move it somehow. Here's looking down our street. I don't know if you can see the wind factor. I thought it stopped snowing, and it was only drifting, but it's clearly, it looks like snow. So, alright, well, I'll check back, and yeah, here's my neighbor's house. Heck, I could already even see it. Here comes a big gust of wind. Whoa! That was probably blowing, 25, 30. Not too bad, but with the snow pounding your face, it's not too warm. All right. Here's the blizzard of 2010.